Thank you, JP. Thank you, everyone. So, yeah, I'm here to present our proposals for the Consenz project. Maybe some of you have already heard about it. We are building an agreement building platform. So what do I mean by agreement building platform? Well, right now, DAO governance and in general, decentralized governance is mainly focused on voting. The blockchain technologies allows us to vote on chain, which is a huge benefit, but voting is not enough. We believe that governance should not be reduced to voting because there is a lot of conversation and discussion around voting, before and after voting. And these days, discussing and documenting governance processes in DAOs and in decentralized governance are mainly happening in Web 2 platforms. Discussion happens in Twitter and Reddit. Documenting is happening on Google Docs or in GitHub or in Gitbook. Those are great tools, but they were not built for governance. And a lot of the discussion happening, as you know, on social media. And when this happens, the results are a lot of noise in the process, difficulty in engaging with token holders, and actually it's bad user experience on the governance side of things. So we are building the missing link in decentralized governance, a tool that will allow governance token holders to discuss and to create agreements that will then be used for governance execution alongside on-chain voting. And by that, we will hopefully we will build a tool that will allow decentralized governance processes that are productive, are structured and focused, and still dynamic and engaging and scalable, and can support DAO's governance in a scalable manner. On the Consenz platform, the ways that the user, the community members, the token holders interact with agreements are by voting, and the voting is very high resolution. Each section and section improvement can be voted on, and then the other user can suggest improvement to the agreement document. And the discussion is happening on the background. By that, we are creating a process that is an input and an output. The input are those edit suggestions for document and the votes on those suggestions, and the output is the document. And by setting an approval threshold for each suggestion to be approved that is dynamic and adjusted to the engagement and to the agreement levels that the document has received, we can create a very scalable way for community members, for DAO's organization, to create those governance documentation that are so needed for decentralized governance and for the operation of the organization. So just for context, if I have 10 more seconds, we have already built an MVP version using Catalyst funding, and now we are looking for improving it to create better user experience, building more features, and hopefully if we get the support of the community, we will be able to deliver a lot of improvement to the current systems that we have built. So thank you very much for your time.